Pythonasyncio, Pythonic way of waiting until condition satisfied. I need to wait until a certain condition/equation becomes true in an asynchronous function in Python. Basically it is a flag variable which would be flagged by a coroutine running in asyncio.create_task. I want to await until it is flagged in the main loop of Asyncio. Here's my current code. Is there any better implementation of this? Or is this the best way possible? I have tried using asyncio.event, but it doesn't seem to work with asyncio.create_task.
Using of asyncio.event is quite straightforward. Sample below. Note, event should be created from inside coroutine for correct work.
Asyncio.